In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Minecraft on PC and laptop in 2026. Start by going to the Minecraft website. I'll include a link in the description. Go to the top and select Account, then choose to sign in. Click the Sign in with Microsoft button if you already have a Microsoft account. Otherwise, select Sign up and make an account. Select Games from the top, then go down and click the Go to Downloads button. Click the Download for Windows button here and wait for the file to download. Alternatively, you can scroll down to the other versions heading and download the correct version for your operating system. Open the Download Manager and choose to Show in Folder or Open File Location. Double-click on the Minecraft installer file to begin installing. Click the Click here to log in to the Microsoft Store button and sign in if you aren't already. You'll typically want to use the same one you just used on the Minecraft website. Read the Microsoft Software License Terms, then check the box to agree and click the Install button. Wait for the download to finish, then click Let's Go. Minecraft may begin to update. Click the Sign in with Microsoft button, then sign in to your Microsoft account. Select Minecraft Java Edition from the side, then head across and select Buy Now. Choose which version you want, then select Checkout. Click the Get Started, Add a Way to Pay button. Then choose how you want to pay and continue through the process to buy Minecraft. This will add your payment method to your Microsoft account. Be sure to remove it later if you don't want it to stay on your account. Go back to the Minecraft Java Edition page and click the Play or Install button. Wait for Minecraft to download and install. It should automatically open when done. To launch the game in the future, you will need to open the Minecraft launcher first, then choose to play Minecraft Java Edition. You now know how to download Minecraft on PC and laptop. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.